5G standalone requires IMS voice, which this florist is using to call her supplier over 4 or 5G. But the distributed IMS is complex. So while the customer service is great, their service provider faces high costs and challenging operations behind the scenes. Our cloud-native communication suite encapsulates IMS into a single cloud-native network function, simplifying its integration, deployment, and operations, without sacrificing any features or functionalities. By taking away this complexity, the customer service provider is free to deploy 5G broadband for all. Meanwhile, the florist's call works just as well as it did before. Great service without the complexity, delivered by a pre-integrated 3GPP compliant cloud-native communication suite.